Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hi, and welcome to the Kitchen Gadget Review Show. Today, we're taking a look at the essential kitchen tool, the vegetable peeler. A vegetable peeler is a handheld kitchen tool used for removing the outer layer, or peel, from fruits and vegetables. It's an easy and efficient way to get the job done, and it's a must-have for any home cook. Using a vegetable peeler is straightforward. Hold the fruit or vegetable in one hand, and the peeler in the other. Place the blade against the skin and use a gentle back and forth motion to peel away the skin. It's that easy. There are several types of vegetable peelers available on the market, each with its own unique features. The most common types are the Y-shaped peeler, the swivel peeler, and the julienne peeler. The Y-shaped peeler is classic and perfect for peeling larger vegetables like carrots and potatoes. It's easy to use and will last a long time with proper care. The swivel peeler is great for peeling softer fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and peaches. It has a curved blade that adjusts to the shape of the fruit, making it easier to peel. The julienne peeler has a serrated blade that can create thin, uniform strips for salads or garnishes. It's a great tool for creating decorative dishes. In conclusion, the vegetable peeler is an essential tool for any home cook. With so many options available, there's sure to be a peeler that's perfect for you. Don't wait any longer, upgrade your kitchen today with a high-quality vegetable peeler. Thanks for watching. Join us next time on the Kitchen Gadget Review Show for more tips and tricks on all things cooking and kitchen. See you then. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.